So we're out here today, and we're trying to clean this woods area up, let some of these larger trees fill in, and we're taking out a lot of the smaller brushy stuff. We're taking all this dead stuff out, all this brushy stuff, and we're going to be taking out a couple smaller trees. But we'll set up the time lapse. We're throwing it on the trailer behind the tractor, and we'll get it all burned up. So here's our first load, just a bunch of brush and crap. We're getting this cleared out so that we can get the logs loaded and unloaded a lot easier, because they just kind of make it a pain. There's some thick stuff in here. All right, so we're cutting 3 trees out there, these 2 right here, and then we've got the big ones in the back to cut, as well as a dead one out here, 2 out there. But so far so good. We're gonna go take a dinner break and we'll get right back to it. So unfortunately, the camera battery died before we started cutting up the pines. So I had to cut up the pines while it's charging. But here's the aftermath. We've got all the logs there unloaded. I'll give y'all a better look in the morning, but we've got a lot to burn. This looks much better. Today I'm gonna clean all this off the driveway. I'm just gonna rake it up and put it in here, and then what's left we'll just blow back out here. As you can see, that starter motor, the pulley is slipping on the belt. Come down here, there's the tensioner. That bottom nut has come loose on it. That's fixed. Alright, so here's a better look at our pile. It's massive. We're gonna go put the trailer up. We'll get to burning tomorrow. Alright, so here we are. That's what we're left with. Just a nice small pile of ash. Everything else is burned. And as you can see, we've done just a little bit more work up here to finish it off. I came in with the tractor and I bush hogged as much of this as we could. Unfortunately, the tractor did break down, but on the bright side of that, there's now going to be a short video coming soon of me fixing that issue. But anyways, we cut down most of this and chopped some of it up with the brush cutter on the weed eater. So that looks great now. But that's going to be it for this video. This is not exactly what I normally do, but I'd like to start posting a couple of small projects like this as well, especially once I start brush hogging with the mower this coming summer. So be expecting videos like that, but I will definitely continue doing the mechanical type videos where we repair stuff, bring back old four-wheelers, and really what I would love to do is tractors. I really enjoy working on that, so hopefully, especially if this channel grows, we can definitely start getting into more interesting and bigger projects. So I appreciate all the support we've gotten recently. It means a lot. We've been gaining subscribers, lots of views and stuff, so I really appreciate it. Just keep it up, and I'll see you all in the next one. Let's get it, brother. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. This trash bag does pretty good. It's comfy. It's like a nice pair of pants. Oh. Teacher. Oh, I just got whipped in the face with it. And I almost fell out. Oh my gosh. That was almost really bad. Oh.
Slides like it's nothing.
Yes, sir. Oh.
I don't think we're gonna get out of here. Let's try and turn around up here.
Let's try and get it. There you go.
It's not gonna go.
Let's see if we can make it.
Oh, it made it.
Oh. All right, we got that.